Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. How do you know your team is working towards the right goals? It's a simple question, but a tough one to answer. Many organizations get it wrong. But there is a way to fix that. It's called OKRs. In this lecture, we will talk about how OKRs, objectives and key results, can align teams and keep them accountable. We will also see how they work and why they matter. In this lecture, you will understand the basics of OKRs and their structure. Learn how OKRs promote alignment and accountability. See examples of OKRs in action. Let's start by understanding what are OKRs. OKRs stand for objectives and key results. They have two parts. The objective is the goal. It's clear and inspiring. The key results are the measures. They're specific and track success. Here's an example. A tech company wants to launch a great mobile app. Objective: launch a market-leading mobile app. Key results: achieve 50,000 downloads in the first 3 months. Earn a 4.5-star average rating in app stores. Fix all reported bugs within 2 weeks of launch. The objective tells you what success looks like. The key results show you how to get there. John Doerr, who brought OKRs into the spotlight, said it best. Ideas are easy. Execution is everything. OKRs turn ideas into action. Think of a train. The objective is the destination. The key results are the tracks. Without tracks, the train does not move. With them, it stays on course. OKRs are the same. They guide you towards success step by step. Alignment means everyone pulls in the same direction. OKRs make this happen by linking team goals to the company's mission. Picture a non-profit working to improve literacy in underserved communities. The leadership team's objective: expand literacy programs into 5 new regions. The education team's OKR: develop a standardized curriculum. The outreach team's OKR: recruit 50 volunteers by year end. Every team knows how their work supports the mission. OKRs are also transparent. Teams share them so everyone sees the big picture. It builds trust and keeps efforts focused. Accountability is about owning your work. OKRs help by setting clear responsibilities. For instance, a market agency sets this objective: increase client satisfaction scores by 20%. One team's key result: reduce response time to client inquiries to under 24 hours. Another team's key result: improve report quality and accuracy. Each key result has an owner. Regular check-ins track progress. No confusion, no excuses, just results. When people know their role, accountability takes care of itself. Write one OKR for a fictional business. Define the objective and list 2 key results. OKRs align teams. They hold people accountable. They turn big ideas into measurable results. In this lecture, we learned how OKRs work and why they're powerful. They aren't just a tool, they're a way to focus and succeed. Have you ever worked on a project where things felt disorganized? Could OKRs have helped? How would you have used them? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That's it for today. See you next time.